Okay, so this is the design that we do for the client. Most companies do that, just so that the client can sign off and sort of we all have a idea how many hoodies we're going to make, um, the sizes, what we might need. So, but it's mainly to just do the artwork and see. Everybody can then have a look and see what it will look like more or less when the hoodie is finished. Yeah. Okay, so I've just shown you there on the computer the design for this tracksuit jacket. I already did the cutting yesterday, and the textile that I use is called triacetate. It's a polyester type material. It's soft on the outside, on the inside, and then much like a fleece, and then on the outside it's just shiny. There's not a lot of stretch in this material, unlike your fleeces that you use. And then what I did was I just made this jacket gets cuffs, knitted cuffs. So I just did one last night, and I did just a sample to see if we do the stitching, if what it will look like at the end of the day. There you can see the inside. It's a nicely finished off stitch, and on the outside, because sometimes they don't do the double stitch here. They just leave it that it's a single stitch, and then it's not so nicely um, finished. But these ones are going to get a double stitch and just to round everything off nicely. So this was just a sample that I made quickly to see if we will be happy. And then, yeah, it's also a double hood. So, yeah, and then this jacket gets a zip, but I forgot to buy the zips. So what we'll do is today is I'll just put everything together and finish up everything that we can finish up, apart from the waistband probably, and then the hood. So we will finish all the stitching on the panels, put together what we can, and then I'll go and buy a zipper and then put a zip. The client is not in a hurry for this, so we're going to do a patch here with embroidery, and I'll go and buy the zips tomorrow, and then just to finish off the jacket quickly. To make these jackets, these tracksuit jackets, and even the hoodies are very quick. It's fast to make them. You don't. There's not a lot of things that you need to do. It's just once the cutting is done, you can make lots of them. Even if one person does the sewing, you can make, I would say, probably 10 a day, six, 7 to 10 a day. And you can now imagine if you have a lot of people doing the sewing, then you can make thousands of these, hundreds of these. So yeah, but this is a nice jacket because we've got two colors here. The colors I think suit each other, fits nicely. You can do the red also with a sky blue. Um, Red and white goes nice with the sky blue as well. So I think this tracksuit is going to look nice when we finished with it.